Still making flexible connectors by hand 3000 PCS per shift. Still making canvas flexible connectors by hand. This line can produce up to 3,000 pieces per shift. Raw materials enter the feeding system automatically. Stable feeding ensures consistent production, from fabric to production. Stable output, fast delivery. The material moves continuously without stopping. High efficiency reduces labor costs. Continuous automatic operation. The forming process combines fabric and metal accurately. Each connector keeps the same dimensions. Precision in every piece. Automatic pressing creates strong connections. Clean edges improve product quality. Stronger and cleaner. The cutting system delivers accurate lengths, less waste, higher efficiency. Accurate every time. Finished connectors are discharged automatically. Widely used in HVAC duct manufacturing. Ready for installation. Bobo Machine has over 30 years of experience. Contact us for your production solution.